How you doing? Smug here. Just working on an app I'm thinking about, and it's concerning getting your FCC license, either commercial or amateur. And they have two types: amateur, commercial, whatever. It doesn't really matter. What I'm mostly concerned with is creating child items so that I can use Nix or NAD the Vlad's advanced quiz plugin, or any quiz plugin for that much matter. And you need to have child items that you can enter into the control panel, but it's a whole lot easier if you make external child item files. So that's what I'm going to do. Now, over here I have an Excel file that's basically, it has the question, I don't know, category, what have you, and then the question number, and then the questions, and wrong answer, wrong answer, wrong answer, right answer, and a reference. So for the moment, I'm kind of blowing off the reference, and I'll put that in a different part of my app. So what I'm really concerned with is the questions and the answers, which is this part here. So this is my source file, and this is my destination file, and you can see I've already done a few of these guys. So I'm going to create another one for you real quick, and I'm going to go with T5D, hoping that there actually is a T5D. Is there? Yes, there is. It's right here. Okay. So now there's a whole slew of questions, and it might be, I might mess it up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert a row here and leave this top row blank, and then I'm going to go to my data and set the filter on it. And I'm going to undo that real quick, and I'm going to set it up here on this row so that it filters off of that. That'll be perfect. Now the next area I'm going for is T5D. So in order for me to easily fix this up, I'm going to deselect all and then select T5D, which is right here. And this gives me all the answers, all the questions, all the answers, whatever, and that's fine. So first thing I need to do is go over to my destination file and set up my column headers. And you can get your column headers from NAD's test that he's got. He's got a set of test questions that he uses as an example. Then I select all my questions, come down here, and I paste them into question text. Then I sneak back over to another one, and I steal a few of these quiz types or item types, and I paste them here. And of course I don't have enough, so I just scroll on down to complete it. Now, over here it needs an individual unique ID, right? Always does. So I'm going to start it with T5D001 for question 1, and then just drop down and let it autofill and auto increment those. I'm going to have 4 questions for all of them, and it's quicker for me to do that. And then I have my answers here. Wrong, right. Copy it, paste it, and I'll just paste it right here. So I'm going to take my right answers, since this requires the correct answer in the first one, not the last one. I'm going to move it over to the left, and that'll allow me to correctly place that. I'm not worried about any of the image names or any of that stuff yet, but there it is in case you need it. So I'm going to take this and select all of it, and then what I'm going to do is go to my Smug Json Converter, which automatically does child items, paste it into the top, and it's ready to go in the bottom. Select all, then go to your JSON lint, make it real pretty, validate it, and of course it comes out as valid JSON. So then we copy into a new blank file. I'm going to save that as T5D. And here we have our child item files. Now here's one thing. I thought I fixed it, and I think I did. I just didn't update my own copy, which is kind of silly. So I'm going to replace all these nulls with blanks to make that easy enough. And that's the name of that game. I've got a new set of child items called T5DQCI.text, and whether I include it into the bundle or if I include it out on the internet as a data URL, it's ready to go. So here I have many quizzes. It's going to be a pretty big quiz, and later on I'll do tests. But that's how you can get some quick child items into your quizzes. Alrighty? Thanks.